guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sama. We've been moving and in a new place and stuff, so I'm currently like unboxing things and organizing and unpacking stuff. So to take a break, I thought it would be fun to do an unboxing of the Dyson V7 Animal. Look at this bad boy. Oh, it's pretty heavy. We tried this out in Curry's and it was fucking amazing, so I thought it would be fun to do an unboxing of the Dyson today and just demonstrate how amazing this product is. This is such an adulting thing to get excited over a Hoover. What is my life now? But hey, this is a new phase of life and I don't care. I want to get excited about a fucking vacuum cleaner. We'll do an unboxing. Hope you like it and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. Subscribe! So this is us opening up the box. We literally just had it and we got too excited, so I opened it up and didn't plan on how to film it. So this is just gonna be a quick run through of the actual unboxing, but I will explain to you all of the accessories that comes in the box. So the first thing that you see here is the mount docking station, which you can hang on the wall so that you can store your Dyson. And then you have the mini motorized tool. This is apparently a new tool that you can use for like car cleaning and all that stuff. You have the combination tool, which is a combo of the crevice tool and a soft brush. And then you have the main cleaner head, which is a strong accessory and it's actually the one that you use for everything in the house. This tool is something that you can use for, you know, under the sofa and stuff, so you don't have to bend over and hurt your back. And then you have the main core of the Dyson V7 and it's really long, about 1 meter. This soft dusting brush you can use to hoover your laptop, and then this crevice tool you can use to get into nooks and crannies. This is the main engine and body of the Dyson. You've got a normal and max setting, and then you've got the little area where all the dust collects. And then of course you have the charger cable, which you can just connect next to the mount. That's everything in the box that you can see here. Okay, so here's the Dyson right now. You can see that there's not much dust in it yet. And I'm going to hoover this whole area and you'll see how strong this Dyson is. I'm gonna even put it onto max. So I'll put it on max and then you'll see how strong it is. Look at the difference. Look at the amount of dust that's collected. That was literally like 2 minutes of hoovering just this area. It looks so clean and pristine right now. That's because the Dyson has actually collected this much dust literally within 2 minutes, and I think that is insane. It is crazy how strong this hoover is. My god. Oh, I'm gonna try and remove the dust in it. I've got a bin here and it says there's like instructions here that say you pull this and the dust will come out into the bin, and then I think when you press this it'll come out of the filter as well. I don't know, let's try it. Okay, the bin is right in front of me here, so it's pull this. Whoa! Whoa! That's it out, and then you press it, and that's it, I think. Yep, and then you can reconnect it again. Ta-da! Okay guys, that is the Dyson unboxing. I really think that the Dyson Hoover is incredible. I'll show it to you once again. Look at this bad boy. First time trying it, loved it. The battery life is only about 30 minutes, which is fine because it doesn't take that long to hoover anyway. In terms of strength, it's bloody amazing. I have never owned a hoover this strong in my life. And I think that it is convenient with all of the accessories that it comes with. It is wireless and you can connect all of the stuff on it here. So you can even use it for your car. Just bring it down and just hoover everything. If you are looking to invest in a Dyson Hoover and you have a place that isn't too huge, I would highly recommend you get the Dyson V7 Animal. We have it mounted in the utility closet where we can charge it, and it doesn't take that much space. It's really light. It has all the accessories. I think it's a great investment. This Dyson is going to be with us for more than a decade for sure. Like, I don't see us buying any new Hoovers ever. If we ever decide to move to a different country or move to a different location, I am bringing this bad boy with me. I am not detaching myself from this thing, okay? Overall, I would give it like 10 out of 10. I can't find any fault in it. I love it. Do I look badass, my Dyson? Oh no! Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I gave you as much information as possible regarding the Dyson V7 Animal. If you're looking to invest in one, look this one up. I think this one is really good. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time for more content like this. Bye!